Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So, in the last video we looked at the Séimhiú, where in certain scenarios we put a H after the first letter in Irish. Cúig chapel, Bhrishamar, Dovuntor, sa Fictarlan are all examples of where we put in a Séimhiú. Similar to the Séimhiú is the Uru. So an Uru is a letter or letters we put before the first letter in Gaeilge. Eran Bhuineog, Ocht Neata, Ver Norris. But which letters take an Uru? B takes M, C takes G, D takes N, T takes D, G takes N, P takes B, and F takes BH. R Mroga, on Gar, Ni Norris, Ni Duck, Ver Nyata, Boris, Fuin Bhuineog. So there's some examples of the Uru. So a mnemonic is when we use a little rhyme to help us remember the letters of things. So this mnemonic will help us remember the Urus. My brother got caught not doing dishes tonight. Nobody gets blueberry pie before he finishes. So M before B, G before C, N before D, D before T, N before G, B before P, and BH before F. But when do we use an Uru? On, asking a question in the present or future tense. On villain 2. On gluirtí she. The possessive adjectives are our, ver, year or you, your plural, and a, their, or gota, our coat, ver, nurse, year door, a, bhuineog, their, window. I, meaning in, also takes an Uru. I, Boris, in Paris. In Merlin, in Berlin. Sometimes we have little phrases like on the, fuin, under the, egon, at the, haran, over the, in akaleshon. These take an Uru. Fuin moored, under the table. In akaleshon gar, beside the car. Egon verm, at the farm. A Korov, a shocked Godia de, counting from 7 to 10. Shocked Bictor, 7 pictures. Ocht Vonlog, 8 swallows. Ni Diak, 9 houses. De Gar, 10 cars. And like I said in the last video, we always keep Pictor, Vonlog, Chak in the singular. The dentals, DNTLS. So if any of these letters meet, they don't take an Uru. Mar hampla, egg on Durris. N from on and D in Durris meet, so there's no Uru. In Akalesh Chuck. N from on and T from Chuck meet, so there's no Uru. Har on Dillog, over the leaf. Again, the N with on and the D in Dillog meet, so they do not take an Uru.
Agus sin é.